Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another delicious recipe. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious fried crispy shrimps, which involve no time at all, super tasty and delicious. Do keep in mind I will go ahead and leave a full list of ingredients and measurement below so you can always check it out. So if this is your first time, please subscribe. So here are the ingredients needed so you can achieve this delicious recipe. Black pepper, Sazon complete seasoning, all obay seasoning, mustard, all-purpose flour, shrimps thoroughly clean and deveined, breadcrumbs, and also curb and blend green seasoning. So to get started guys, first you want to go right ahead and season your shrimps by adding a bit of oil, which can be oil of choice, or obay seasoning, Sazon complete seasoning, a pinch of black pepper, yellow mustard, and also curb and blend green seasoning. Great taste and flavor. As mentioned, I will go right ahead and leave a full list of ingredients in the description box so you can always check it out. After fully mixed, I'm going to cover it and set it aside for 10 minutes and move on to the next step. Next, I'm going to create my batter using only all-purpose flour and breadcrumbs. So here we are guys, the shrimps has been fully marinated. Next I'm going to go right ahead and add them to my mixed flour. Once you add them to your flour, make sure you want to ensure that they're fully coated on each side. Next step, you want to go ahead and add these to your oil and cook them for 2 minutes on each side.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So here we are guys, after 4 minutes we are all done. Next I'm going to go right ahead and place them on a paper towel for a few minutes. This delicious fried crispy shrimps. I'm going to just finish it off with some chopped spring onion. And also a bit of dipping sauce, which I will leave in the description box. If you have yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. Delicious fried crispy shrimps. Until next time.